Hello friends, welcome to Perfect Institute for Civil Engineers. Friends, today is our last class in total station auto level, and we are with our students Ahmad and Abdullah, and they came us to learn these auto level and total station instrument. And I think today our 8th class, and we had completed our land survey course with them, and we just want to know how they feel in these 8 days with us, uh, how much satisfied they are with us and with them himself also. So we go to these
Uh,
guys.
my name is Ahmad. I have learned so many things in these 8 days. I can say myself is different, and my confidence is very high to work as a civil engineer, as a surveyor. I have done so many things, so many methods, approximately 7 methods. This course was such a splendid course. I am very appreciated with my teacher.
How about you, Ahmed?
Yes, this is the eighth class.
Call loudly.
Yeah,
Very
this is
good.
the eighth class, and this last one we have completed total surveying. And the main thing I liked is like it's all about practice. We mostly practiced, and we have learned auto level, total station, how to use them, different methods, and very satisfied.
Even
with
data
this.
transfer
Yeah, data
also.
transfer from total station to AutoCAD, and so many methods really. Full practice.
So how much
Yes.
you are confident with yourself?
Yes, yes, yes,
If you
yes.
compare first day when you even
Yes, yes.
first day, before joining you asked me a lot. I want to
Yes,
complete
yes,
this
yes.
as soon as possible. How
Yes.
much time it will take?
I was worried actually about this course and how
I
will I
said
learn?
you
Yes.
कि within 7 or 10 days or 15 days,
Yes,
max
yes,
to max
yes.
15 days, we
Yes.
will complete this course successfully.
Yes.
And now we are completing this course in 8 days.
In 8 days.
So are you okay with that? So
Yes,
we didn't hurry
100%.
anything.
Not hurry, and we took like every point with full practice, and it finished now.
The method what we have
Yeah.
learned that
Yes,
you
yes.
have practiced a lot with them means
Yes, yes. More
orientation
times.
or what are the
Yes.
method we do,
Yes.
we you practice a lot, you
Yes,
are
very
okay with those,
practice. Yeah,
right?
we do this day, we practice next time, next day we practice it, then we
Again,
go to
next one, the
next
fresh
one.
topic
Yeah,
again,
fresh
right?
topic.
Okay,
Yes, that's
we
how it
cross check
goes.
manually also
Yes,
everything.
yes, yes, yes,
So
yes.
if machine is having some problems, I will,
Yes,
we know how to correct that.
yes, yes,
We
yes.
know how to means use the instrument
Use the instrument. Yes,
safely because these are the costly equipment. We know each part, what
yes,
and what part we have to use,
yes, yes,
right?
yes.
But we each and everything about the instrument and about the course we know this one,
Yep.
right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you guys, best of
Okay,
luck.
sir. You luck.
थैंक सी फ्रेंड्स, अभी आपको हमने बताया कि वी डिड दिस कोर्स इन 7 डेज। जैसे कि हम लोग भी कहते हैं कि हम लोग ये ऐसा नहीं कि जल्दी में कराते हैं, बट वी डू दिस इन ईजी वे सो दैट ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन कैन लर्न दिस कोर्स। एंड जो भी इनका मोटो था यहाँ आने का, वो 7 दिन के अंदर 8 डेज़ में जो है कंप्लीट हो चुका है। नाउ दे आर कॉन्फिडेंस कि हाँ दे कैन डू दिस लैंड सर्वे कोर्स। सो वी प्राउड ऑफ दैन, दीज स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑल्सो गुड वन, दे कैच वेरी फास्ट। बट हमारा एक कह सकते हैं ना कि जब आप अच्छे संगत में रहते हैं या अच्छी जगह से करते हैं तो आपको महीनों लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होता है, आप दिनों में सीख सकते हैं। सो आपने भी देखा, हमने कई स्टूडेंट जो हैं 7 to 15 डेज़ के अंदर अपने यहाँ से ट्रेन किए हैं। नाउ दिस गाइज ऑल्सो कंप्लीटेड दिस कोर्स इन 8 डेज़। सो दोस्तों, अगर आप उत्तराखंड में करना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि हमने आपको बताया फेस्टिवल ऑफर चल रहा है उत्तराखंड में, क्वांटिटी सर्वे की कोर्स की फीस 7,000 रुपीज़ है और लैंड सर्वे की कोर्स फीस 12,000 रुपीज़ है फॉर द मंथ ऑफ अक्टूबर। नवंबर इन हम आफ्टर 15 के बाद भी मे भी हो सकता है 15 से पहले भी वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू बैच इन दिल्ली ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के लिए, क्वांटिटी सर्वे, लैंड सर्वे। अगर आप दिल्ली में ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो यू कॉन्टैक्ट अस और आप अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन कराइए। डेफिनेटली जो भी चार्जेस होंगे, वी हैव अ लोएस्ट कोर्स फीस एंड वी प्रोवाइड बेस्ट क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन टू अवर स्टूडेंट्स। ठीक है दोस्तों, तो आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, व्हाट्सअप कर सकते हैं। डेफिनेटली वी विल प्रोवाइड यू फुल असिस्टेंस। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।